Hi everyone, in this video I will show you actual budget tutorial. So basically this is actual budget, and this one is made, or an actual budget refers to the real financial results recorded during a specific period, meaning the actual amount of money spent, earned, or allocated, as opposed to the amount that was originally planned or estimated. So this one, or this platform, is very helpful, especially if you are budgeting. So there is this actual budget and planned budget. So actual budget is used to measure financial performance and understand whether you are on a track or off track, and it helps you see overspending, underspending, track financial discipline, identify wasteful spending, make better decisions in the next budgeting cycle, and understand trends in income and expenses, and improve accuracy in future budgeting. So this is what it looks like. Now, there is this report option on the left side. If you click the report option right here, in the report section of actual budget, here you can usually see monthly financial statements, project management reports, company budget reports, personal budgeting application, government financial reports, and so on. Schedule. So in budgeting, or in actual budget, financial reporting schedules are supporting detailed breakdowns that explain or expand specific parts of the actual budget. They act like attachment or sub-reports that show how the final actual numbers were calculated. Think of schedules as the behind-the-scenes details of the actual budget. Also, you can see here pays, rules, tags, and settings. So to start with your actual budget planning, you need to gather your real financial records. You can list all your actual income, list all your actual expenses, organize them into a simple table, and after that, calculate the variance. So you can use schedules for detailed breakdown, review and analyze, and adjust your next budget. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.